Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here again. Wow, you've been doing some really hard work with informational text. We've been really slowing down to look at the pictures, try and think about what the words are, um, teaching others about what we're learning about. Today, we're going to talk about what we do when we really run into those tough words. And so today and tomorrow, we're going to be really trying to figure out some tough words. And the problem is a lot of kids might get an informational book like this. This one is sea turtles, and I love sea turtles. They might really just like look at the pictures like this and enjoy the pictures, which is fine. But then they don't even stop to try and read some of the words. And they're not learning all that the book has to tell them. So when we read the words, we got to take time to really look at the words, read them. And then if there's a tough word, we have to think, what could this word be and what could it be teaching me? So I'm going to stop at some tough words because this is a harder book about sea turtles. Okay? And then we'll try and figure out what the words are. There are many kinds of turtles in the world. Most of them are on land or in the something water. I'm not sure what this was. So what could it be? What kind of water? Oh, water of ponds and streams. Starts with an F. Fresh water. So I wonder what that means. I wonder what fresh water means. I know if something's fresh, it's not old and stinky. Wonder if that's what this means. So that's what we're doing is when there's a word like that we're not sure of, we're wondering what it means. We're really thinking about it. They live on land or in fresh water of ponds and streams. So it must be ponds and streams have that kind of water. But sea turtles live in warm, saltwater oceans of the world. I wonder what salt water means. It must mean it's salty? Is there salty water somewhere? I wonder what that means. Sea turtles, are like other turtles in some ways. They breathe air. Even though sea turtles live in the sea far from land, they stick their heads above the water to breathe. I know what breathing is. That's going in and out, right? Turtles do not have teeth. They use their strong jaws to grab and bite their food. Sea turtles eat seaweed, fish, crabs, and jellyfish. Maybe you don't know what jellyfish are or seaweed. That would be something that you could wonder about. Okay, boys and girls, so I just read you a little bit of this sea turtle book. And as I read it, there might be some words that I'm really not sure of. And those are the words we want to wonder about and try and figure out. So if you run into a word or two that you're wondering about, maybe mark that page with a sticky note. And then your teacher wants to know, are you really paying attention to the words? Are you thinking about those tough words and wondering what they're about? Looking at the pictures and the clues? All right, boys and girls, that's your job today is find a couple of words that are really tough and you're not sure what they mean and you're wondering about them. All right, let's be careful readers today.